Okay, so I've got a pretty weird antenna set up outside. It's an elevated 17-foot whip with a 7-foot radial on it. Let's do some POTA hunting and see what we can find. See if we can make any contact.
QSL, Kilo Delta 9, or Charlie.
Another one.
3, and Merry Christmas.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Uniform November.
That was a big station. You know,
5 November Charlie.
5-9 plus 5, South Louisiana.
7-3. Bravo 4, Radio Delta.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Whiskey Bravo 4, Radio Delta. It's Joseph 5 you're 5-9 into Georgia.
Copy 5-9 Delta, thank you much.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra, KI5 WES. I've got you about a 4949 Lima Alpha, Louisiana. Hey, thank you, my friend. Thanks for being out there. I was able to do a POTA this morning and yesterday. 73, thanks for being out there. POTA on.
Whiskey 4, Delta Alpha.
Hey, no problem. I appreciate you getting along. Merry Christmas at 73.
Merry Christmas, my friend, 73.
Rank with you, this is Kilo 8, Bravo Sierra Romeo, standing by and listening.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra 5-9, Weston.
Hey, my friend, I've got you a 5.8 on the meter, but you've got a booming signal. If I didn't know any better, I'd say you're 5.9 plus 20. Sounding good in Lima Alpha, Louisiana. Thanks for being out there, my friend. I was able to get out there earlier this morning.
Roger. I appreciate you getting along again, my friend. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a good evening, my friend. 73.
73, buddy. Have a good one.
This is Kilo 8, Bravo Sierra Romeo, high noise for Kazakh.
Whiskey 5 Alpha, sugar.
Wow, we got in there with
Whiskey
a
5
high
Alpha, sugar,
noise
5-9
floor.
plus 20.